Hey, what's up guys? It's Sayak from Exploring Tech, and a lot of you guys might already know most of the Chrome tricks out there, but in this video there are actually a couple of them which you might not know, so stick around. It takes two taps to open a new tab, an incognito tab, settings, downloads, but it can be done with one tap, making it even faster. Tap hold the three dots. Now move your finger to whichever option you want without lifting the finger. Settings, new tab, downloads. It's so convenient and that simple. You can also close a tab with one swipe using the same technique. Hold the address bar, drag it down and move it to right or left like in an L motion. Wanna try out the new Chrome designs? If you do know that, okay, type Chrome colon double black slash flags and hit enter. A warning, it is an experimental area. Do not change anything unless you know what you're doing. Now type modern in the search bar or find in page and enable this modern design UI. Relaunch the app, and if it doesn't work, don't worry. Clear it from the recent apps and open again. So now you have these Android P-like circular design, if you will. Now I wish all of us knew this one, but a lot of us are yet unaware of how freaking easy it is to switch tabs in Chrome. Hold the address bar and move it right to go to the previous tab and left to move to the next tab. It's that freaking simple. If you face the lack of a proper file manager on your stock Android, or maybe in case you dislike the one you have on your phone, you can definitely try this out. Type Chrome colon triple backslash SD card backslash and voila, you have a proper file manager to access all the files in your storage. Okay, this one. A lot of us thought this method of zoom only works in Google Maps, but it also works in Chrome. So in case you are on a site which isn't mobile friendly, which is most of the cases where this feature is being used, or maybe you want to be on a desktop site on a phone for who knows what. But double tap and hold down to zoom in and hold up to zoom out. So this one's a bonus for the ones who stick around. Turn off any kind of connection, internet connection on your phone. Type anything random in the search bar, press enter, or tap on the websites, on the bookmarks that you have on your page. And yes, definitely the page won't load, and then you have the dragon. Tap on the dragon and start playing. So that's been it, I think. Thanks for watching. If you guys do know about any simple or secret tricks in Google Chrome which might be really helpful in day-to-day use, let us know in the comments below. And that way we can share our secrets in a way. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you liked it and subscribe if you want. Until then, keep exploring.